just really sad, somebody that we looked up to as a hero, this is coming out.
If this is true, he's not an icon. He's an evil man.
Reaction to bombshell accusations of sexual abuse by labor leader Cesar Chavez. A New York Times investigation reveals several women are accusing Chavez of abuse, including his longtime co-founder Dolores Huerta. We have team coverage tonight as we dive into the allegations and the rippling effect it's having in our community. We begin with ABC 10 News anchor Max Goldwasser. He talked to supervisor Paloma Aguirre, who's calling on the federal government to take action.
Cesar Chavez has long been recognized all across San Diego County. His face here in Barrio Logan, overlooking a parkway named in his honor. But with his legacy under scrutiny, tributes like these might be under review.
How did you react when these reports first came out?
It made my blood boil.
Supervisor Paloma Aguirre, angered by the abuse allegedly committed by a figure she and so many others looked up to for decades.
The name is widely recognized as somebody who stands up for workers and for Latino communities especially.
Cesar Chavez was revered for his role in the labor movement, leading farm workers in the fight for better pay, safer working conditions, and respect on the job. And now, more than 30 years after his death, he's been accused of abusing minors and raping his fellow co-founder of the United Farm Workers Union, Dolores Huerta.
That's why this is particularly painful and hurtful to hear and learn what Dolores Huerta has gone through, what she's been carrying in her heart for decades.
Aguirre wants to make sure this delicate moment is met with the right response.
As the highest-ranking Latina politician in the entire county of San Diego, does that add to the responsibility you feel like you have to make a change?
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's why I didn't hesitate in calling for our federal government to make that change.
The change he's asking for is to have Cesar Chavez Day, coming up on March 31st, his birthday, be named Dolores Huerta Day instead, or just replace the holiday altogether with a new annual celebration on Huerta's birthday, April 10th. And what about those other landmarks, like Cesar Chavez Park or the Parkway?
Easy change.
Get rid of them? Name them something else?
Yeah.
What does this do to that legacy where this man has clearly left such a big mark?
Look, the legacy of his work and what he did for the movement will always remain. That is the truth. We can't take that away, but what we can do is send a very clear signal to women and girls that we will not stand by and turn a blind eye when these types of allegations and these types of despicable acts happen.
Max Goldwasser, ABC 10 News.